Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology for Iiser. First, familiarize yourself with the complete syllabus to know what to focus on. Your primary resource should always be insert textbooks. They cover essential topics comprehensively. Building a strong foundation in core biological concepts is crucial for tackling complex problems later on. Don't rush this initial phase. To truly master biology, active learning is key. Regularly practice drawing and labeling diagrams. This reinforces visual memory and understanding. Solving previous year's question papers will familiarize you with exam patterns and important topics. Also, make sure to create your own concise notes. These personalized summaries are invaluable for efficient last-minute revision before the exam. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: to enhance your study environment, consider the Echo Dot smart speaker. It can play calming music or even help with quick facts. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Moving beyond basic recall, try to connect biological concepts to real-world applications. This deepens your understanding. Engaging in group discussions with peers can help clarify doubts and offer new perspectives on challenging topics. Always prioritize conceptual understanding over rote memorization. A strong grasp of why things happen will serve you better than just knowing what happens.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.